Indian also.
Yes, one is Indian, another one is African.
African is more beautiful.
Indian.
How do you know
looks
that's
like
from Africa?
African is this right? From
It's
Which
with
one?
the horns, you know, and the Indian looks like his life is miserable. Look at him.
No, there's no
looks
difference.
it.
Oh, yeah, there's a difference. Look, this one has.
Horns, yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's what makes him
I've
different.
been to Wrocław. I saw only Indian, I think. Even in Poznan. I feel he's from Africa. He's from my continent.
This is like a fighter, right?
So does he have TRC or what? Does he have TRC or what?
What?
Carta pobito.
doesn't.
They don't need a carta for me
Even
too.
elephant in front, he doesn't need to but he needs reason.
So they don't have males?
I don't know. Maybe they close.
What happens? Because it will be too much?
It's very tough for them, you know.
Because
For some because of the colds. For some like for example,
in winter,
camels
in
or
winter, do
something.
people come to this park or not?
Most of them they will be hiding. Yeah.
We came once we circle in March,
It was bad.
but all animals were outside.
We're outside.
Even these guys.
Even elephants.
I remember I went to Poznan in March. That's why they were putting elephants.